Bia kamal gwasme banangich no ke rwani titi dobrien tok English kana dobrien Thok Nath kan bukon ngejen wala mone kan Nuer Language School kan konwe nyam gwasme mi jiram jidit gore jeno jenderi channel der je support der subscribe ko mi chetege ngi mi chebre gwasme da shwa mala shubege jika pet ni jame gwa ke queen entity ane kan queen entity bia nywa kan ko ken ko de ka channel de kan ngach ane bana jitok bro yu palpin ka lianka yob jaguri no beler eleler ki math ko bi kula tika ngaj mugwa ene tuog na ja of course not menyame of ke course cannot of course not melude lunodi shejen an shejen na me chirka ha ke han shejen mulunodi shejen mishi of course not shejen dong raji generan dong ken yorun ling che kula tije no ledi ka queen ma kande ko la no of course not chalet ka queen ma kamuluno di shejen chalet ka queen ma ka shejen of course not lo no shejen I don't think so muluno di an chanangat in this way chi konde la ren chanangat ko mishaw I don't think so muluno di an chanachar I don't think so. Which one chanangat I don't trust. Don't they trust their kulaben. Or I don't believe. Baname I don't think so and chanachar. They gorno no. Chana gorgo. And name gagador and chanachar. I don't think so and chanachar. They larno. And chanangat I don't trust. They larno. But anyway, it worked both way. Didn't manguji deriakan. Mishawa I don't think so. Lornodi and Shana char and Shana char ki han chanangat I don't think so and Shana char ki any shejan I don't think so any shejan one of gwasame it is not a bad idea mishaw it is not a bad idea lunodi she charmijek it is not a bad idea they larnon it is not a bad idea she charmijek idea loranemu char bad lonemejek so mishi laro nene it is not a bad idea you are meaning che charmijek in Nuer language or in Thok Nath but maybe some other time malod but maybe some other time jene dung niwo lunung but maybe but chirike dung maybe chirike dungnu oba the same thing but maybe some other time dungnu ba lejek ka gwas mdong but maybe some other time mishilaro nene it is not a bad idea but maybe some other time lolunde shi charmu je dungnu ba lejek ka gwas mdong but maybe some other time lo ne chang mdo dien mi chajan chang amone other time it is not a bad idea but maybe some other time is she charm jek dunu bale jek ka gwas mdong. Let's move on. One opinion gwatame. That is not exactly true. The meaning of this phrase is she talk a push. That's not exactly true. Mulunodi she talk. Exactly luno a push. True luno talk. That is they call arode that is no more they call our no more chaban pingwa the man no more she talk a push that is not exactly true they relar no that mish go guri lode that no more ki momo no more she talk that is not exactly true you can even say that that's not true no more she talk me look again will be below when yam no mugo no be specific ke be you the mandana chalar no che yar ke che jek ke chalar ka do mi shaje de larode that is not exactly true meaning no more she talk a push. Let's move on here. Asking for help teach lwaka jalot kuma teach lwaka help lone lwak asking teach so kujamo asking for help teach lwaka asking help teach lwaka bo mi teach lwak but this is the professional way of saying it. Asking for help, asking for help, Teach luaka. Excuse me, could you help me? Excuse me, could you help me? Excuse me karwar luno paliyaka. Could you help me? Deri helwak. Excuse me, could you help me? Paliyaka deri helwak. Mutijaran. Dong jalaka duop kiti deri jogono paliyaka deri helwak. Dong gurjeno de jilwak. Katugang lich deri larodi. Excuse me, could you help me? Paliyaka deri helwak. No, you keep on practicing. One. Excuse me, I need some help. Again, duop na machana jigani na duop radian bon. Excuse me, chikon jigano luno paliyaka. Excuse me, paliyaka. I need some help. Angora luak. Angora. Some help don't allow angora tang luaka. But the right way to say it would angora luak. Some ka tang one. Okay, some a chica can deal, but ka duop ngwana jende kolar jigtuna de kolarode paliyaka angora luak. In English, you can say, excuse me, I need some help. Paliyaka angora luak. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Jindere helwak THG. Okay. Now, there's something that you need to learn here. Please know language. Alright? Language. A polite way ke duo mongwamu lengaran ke jede ran jogo language please. Can you help me, please? Jindere helwak THG. But in this way you can say language. Go jindere helwak language dere helwak. There ben kenyam ko konba. But ketuk English akan alarde please. Can you help me? Ke de laro can you help me please be la jog de kenyam de ran jog no de language dere helwak. Language dere helwak meaning can you help me please? So namada la magwa ko de ran dere jangach. Let's move on here. Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Jindere let kemigwa. Jindere halat kemigwa. Could you do me a favor? Jindere let kemigwa. Tijeran, okay? You're asking a person if that person can do you a favor or help you with something that you need. You can say it, Jindere let kemigwa. Like, could you do me a favor? Mengwa jene. Michu, could you do me a favor? Lunodi, Jindere let kemigwa. Okay, let's move on. Offering helped. Offering helped. Tob luaka. Tob luak ki tijeran ko diri luak. Offering helped. Top luaka. Offering a tiju kamanandi let karan. Tomnu duka duor. Helped a luak. Top luaka shaladi. Offering helped. Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? Di larodi. And de luak. And de luak. Can I help you? Help a luak. And de luak. Can I help you? Do you need some help? Do you need some help? Jin gur tan luaka. Jin gur tan luaka menante jugunone. Some lur na tangwane. Dundo we de konangaje correct way. Do you need some help? Jin gur luak de larnon. Jin gur luak. Do you need some help? But kuja mo ko something de kon tang de kon maten like you can say it. Jin gur tang luaka. Kie jin gur luak. Do you need help? Kie do you need some help? Jin gur tan luaka. Dio jena mo dera lagwa wana ko whipping. Do you need any help? Do you need any help? Jin take a look migori. Jin take a look migori. Do you need any help? Jin take a look migori. Is there anything I can do? Is there anything I can do? And take a midday lat. And take a midday lat. Is there anything I can do? And take a midday lat. Okay, like you are offering help. Teach tomuduka loka jalwat kama. Is there anything I can do? And take a midday lat. How can I help? How can I help? And the luakidi. And the luakidi ki angude luakjimo. How can I help? Teach generan. How can I help? Angude luakjimo. But in this way you can say it. And they look idi. How can I help? And they look at ki angume de luakji. They use an amona bana. I wanna guatame. Saying thank you. Saying thank you. Let us watch. Mileranta watch. de laro de take du one de lar kaje saying thank you luno de ler tesalwa luno de gwasme thank you she lost that head thank you she lost that head thank you very much she lost that head along thank you very much she lost that head along yelo da mogwata mene wana pin thanks a lot luno de she lost that head na me a less formal okay she lost that head thanks a lot thank you for your help let us la register loach kalwagdu meaning thank you for your help michiran te jelwag da regila tesloach you can say la register loach kalwagdu thank you for your help gwad me wo kon modien I really appreciate it and nakaja I really appreciate it and nakaja manana chila like you can say I really appreciate it and nakaja I really appreciate your help and nakalwagdu kagwaste I really appreciate your help and nakalwagdu kagwaste kien nakalwagdu mi chaje lok rande ran jugonodi I will appreciate your help and nakalwagdu kagwaste you have been a great help what may a short form VE la vivli ke lune have you have been a great help mulunodi jin chilwak along you have been a great help jin chilwak along responding to thanks muluji o chiran chetloa chejalare chaldi loch tesalwach responding to thanks loch tesalwa you can say it you are welcome shiloidated you are welcome shiloidated sometimes we laru you welcome don't they jora no birkamal ki beragwa you know in this way lo dinu nene somebody say look then you are trying to say thank you you are welcome kadwog dan chi jogo jeno shiloidated kaji they laru you are welcome lo no di shiloidated chirka thanks you bane mradiane me don't mention it Allah apostrophe me ki michel don't chirke do not okay do not ki don't mention it mulu no di telerek ki chuje lar don't mention it telerek okay telerek kiran lo kamo gwa don ko we ko jila te lo ko mi jogo no di don't mention it telerek mulu no telerek well chikon ni dan ngi kono chikon tuk ana ban nyo jikin video den chuje pero jeno jin be nyo ane ko ken ki jin ba bi subscribe kan Nuer Language School channel ko bi ngi tuti bi kan chamala shub kaji gwadra na pay ga brech bi ataka mal